Hi everyone, and welcome to Stamping Roots. I will be doing the unboxing of my paper pumpkin kit that arrived in the mail yesterday, May 15th. Actually, it arrived right at my doorstep. So I will do a quick unboxing for you to see what's in it. This is the May HUGS from SHELLI, May 2019 exclusive paper pumpkin kit. You get this welcome. Thanks for choosing paper pumpkin at the front, and here it will give you the link paperpumpkinhowto.com. Okay, so it gives you instructions as to how to put your kit together, and there's also instructions with pictures included inside the kit as well. So I did place this order for someone and it's the first time that they had ordered the paper pumpkin kit. So if it's the first time that you order it, you will be getting a blog that will be included with your kit, and that's only for your first order. So if you place an order for June, you will be getting this blog, and then for July, this block will no longer be included. So make sure that you keep it in a safe place and not lose this, because you will need this to stamp. And here's your mini stamp spot, and you will be getting an early espresso color that goes with the kit. And here's the stamp. I know you get a feather and hugs, thank you. There's also, what else? I can see it. Hopefully you can see the same. It's very beautiful. I hope to create another video where all of the cards will be already made up and completed for you to see. This will just kind of be an overview of what's inside, but I won't be creating the cards today. And these are what the cards will look like. And it comes with everything that you need in the kit, and that's like twine, ribbon, and some embellishments, and you will also get envelopes included with this. So pretty much everything. All you need might be scissors just to cut your ribbon and your twine, and that's about it. Well, thanks for watching. If you are interested in ordering your June kit, please let me know, and I would be happy to place that order for you if you're not really good at ordering online, or if you're more on the high-tech end, then you can go ahead and place the order, and then selecting my name as your demonstrator if you don't have one already. And I'm sure you will be very happy to receive your kit. Any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Take care. Bye.